soon. MSDPC soon.
Hizi nani hazitaarifu. Unajua ambako uangalie ground. Jazi gani iko around hapa kwanza mahali papaya sana.
Aje. Hiyo ground iko sawa. Hiyo ground iko sawa sawa. Sasa waongoje waingie.
Bwana unasubiri wapi? Wanaingia aje?
Sio au followers wangu nikiwa live wanajua. As long as nimeingia tu live hivi wanajua.
Ni wa Kenya ama ni
Kenya? Okay, thank you so much guys. This is a vibe. We have already started the vibe we call nyatiti vibe. It's Maka Mugenda. This is a morning vibe. I see you. Hi, how are you? Yeah, right now I have the instrument called nyatiti. We ametoka. Siona sana wazungu. Watu wako nje sana ndio wao nao. Kitu kama dakika 5 tu dakika 10. Napata kama already washaingia. Yaani sasa channel yangu ni kubwa size. Asubuhi nilijaribu. Nilikuwa na watu 40. Nagonga na wakati nakuwa hadi na 700 people.
700. Okay.
Siku nilienda sana ilikuwa 998. Wow, thank you so much guys. Here with the instrument called nyatiti. Put down your name. I can also compose for you a song. You know, these are traditional instruments. So in case you need some requests, you have just put down your name and tell me how you are feeling, and we are continuing the vibe. Keep on watching. Is Maka Mugenda. Maka with the instrument called nyatiti. Yeah. The song is called Oyekore. Are you enjoying the vibe? Good morning. It doesn't matter where you are. Just enjoy the vibe. Oyekore. Ya oyekore baba opo. Put down your comment. Tell me how you are feeling. How you are getting the vibe. Ya oyekore. Yawa. Yeah. Nyako. Nyako. Yeah, you know Nyako is a lady. By the time I say Nyako, I mean a beautiful lady. Nyako. Yeah. I'm just trying to say there's a... Yeah, guys, I'm really sorry. Yeah, you know we are using technology. We are continuing with the vibe, guys. I'm really sorry. There was a problem with the network, you know. We have a lot of problem with the network in Africa. I don't know if the same in Europe. Let's continue with the vibe. Hello. You know, by the time I'm saying nyako, I mean a beautiful lady. You know, ladies that are they normally they bring happiness. Anadilupo, anadilupo, anadigalupo. Oekore, oekore, yeah. Jampong. Guys, I don't see comments. Put down your comment, please. Put down your comment so that we can know. I can know how we are doing. If you are enjoying the vibe, you know we start. This is a Monday edition. So by the time you have a time to watch, yeah, you can dance. This is an instrument called nyatiti. Nyatiti is an African guitar. It's the old instrument. Yeah, we have nyatiti. We have ubukano. Ubukano is from people from, we call it, I don't know the place. Let me remember. Wametoka. Wakitoka sasa na relax. Yeah. Guys, keep on watching. The instrument is called nyatiti, by the way. By the time you are watching, you have to put some comments so that I know how you are feeling. Are you getting the vibe? If you're enjoying the vibe, you have to tell me, bro. My name is Maka. Maka is MAKA space Mugenda. Yeah, this is an instrument called nyatiti. The song is about money. Yeah. Gore. I wake up in the morning, I have to say hi. You know, by the time you wake up, if you are a Christian, you have to say thank you so much, God. I wake up in the morning, yeah. I say hi to my Lord. I say hi to my Lord. I say hi to my Lord. My God, my God, my God. Yeah. Gore. Yeah, gore. Minera wera matin. Oka oda yomoro. Bolungu chiege. Pinyu bendo iya. Sani yot manyo pesa. Ognwang ni nwangorari. Imariwang ni mako pesa. Pesa hono. Ni pesa hono. Yeah. Yeah, the song is called Kore Kore. Kore Kore is a nice song. By the time you are enjoying the vibe, I say Kore Kore. Down your comment, guys. It's Maka Mugenda here with the instrument called nyatiti. Nyatiti is an old instrument from western part of Kenya. We're enjoying this vibe. Morning hours. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. The same is Maka. Maka is MAKA space Mugenda, bwana. That's a very, very unique name, Momera. Yeah, it's a very unique name. Put down your comment if you have any requests. Yeah, time for requests. You can request any song. Yeah, but it should be a traditional one. Yeah, it's a traditional. I'll play for you, but don't ask me some gengeton. Ni woi to ben mama nyori ko. Ni woi to ben mama nyori ko. Baba lele, baba lele. Amayo besa, kalalo boy. Yeah, if you are a young man, you have to concentrate so that you can have something. You know, money is everything. Yeah, without money, no power. Ache okinyi, makalelele. Ache okinyi, makalelele. Ache omogongo, amanyo wazunge. Bao yuko jamna, tobange yuko miel. Yep. Yeah. If you are getting understanding. Ache okinyi, makalelele. Ache omogongo, amanyo wazunge. Mamiel tondoma, tobange yuko jamna. Tobange yuko jamna. Yinagi yuko jamna. Yinagi, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Champo. Oh, wololo, baba, wololo, changoma. Bayuko jamna, bayuko jamna. Tobange mielonuma, tobange mielonuma. Yeah. Hello. Are you getting the vibe? Hello. Yeah. Ayuko jamna. Tobange mieloduma. Hello. Ay. Jambum. Jodi jambum. Wana jambum. Yawa jambum. Yeah. Wow, thank you so much for clapping. But I don't see a comment, Omera. What's happening? I don't see a comment, Omera. You know, this is a very nice morning with Maka Mugenda. Yeah, the instrument is called Nyatiti, Omera. I'm an instrumentalist, Omera. I can do sing. I just vibe with you here in YouTube every day by the way. But, you know, today I have almost 3 sessions. This is the first session, morning session. Yeah, after this I'll be having another session in TikTok, and also I'll be having another session evening. That's evening walk along the beach, where I give you the vibe how beach is, guys. Keep on watching. Yeah, so right now I have to go for a break for just around 5 minutes. I'll be back. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know how to appreciate your time, guys, for being patient. You watch me every day. Oh man, I don't know how to say thank you. God bless you. Don't move. I'll be back.